Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about a very important topic of PGSM2. The topic is time dependent perturbation theory. This is a very important topic friends for PGSM2. Let's discuss now. Hamiltonian especially depends on time. It is also known as the theory of variation of constant. This theory was developed by Pam Pauli Andromov Derek. This is the full name of the PM. Rate of transition of atomic system from the energy level to another under the influence of this theory can be considered. Consider a system characterized by the Hamiltonian H is equal to H naught plus H1. This is the equation on friends, and the state phi t is given by I H cross del by del t phi t is equal to H phi t. This is the equation 2 friends. Now H naught is the time dependent part, and its solution we get H naught by n is equal to En by n. This is the equation 3 friends. Now n could be band or free particles state. H1 is a small perturbation in the system. It may or may not depend on time explicitly. We want to calculate the probability of transition from one state to another due to perturbation H1. We will solve the equation. Now friends, equation IH cross del by del t phi t is equal to H naught plus H1 by phi t. This is the equation 4 friends. And by using interaction representation, we writes phi t is equal to e to the power IH cross H naught t phi 1 t. This is the equation 5 friends. From 5 and 4, the resulting equation for phi t will IH cross del by del t phi t is equal to HIT phi 1 t. This is the equation 6 friends, where HIT is equal to e to the power IH H naught t plus H1 e to the power I by H naught t. This is the equation 7 friends. 8 t is equal to 0 by phi 0 is equal to I, where I is one of the eigenstates of H naught, where H naught I is equal to EI plus IH cross HIT phi 1 t dash dt dash. This is the equation 8 friends. Now equation 8 is an integral equation of phi 1 t. This can be solved by interaction procedures. The probability amplitude that the state f of H naught with energy EP will be bound in phi t after a time t due to the perturbation H1 is given by del phi by t is equal to e to the power IH EF into T F phi 1 t, and the probability is then alpha f phi t square is equal to alpha f phi 1 t whole square. From equation 8 we have alpha f phi 1 t is equal to alpha f I plus IH cross integration 0 to t alpha f e to the power IH H naught t dash H1 e to the power IH cross EI t dash I dt dash. We assume H1 is the time independent, then using alpha f I is equal to 0, alpha f phi I t is equal to IH cross alpha f H1 I integration 0 to t I e to the power I by H cross EF minus EI t dash dt dash. This is the equation 9 friends. Now after integration we get PFI is equal to alpha f phi 1 t whole square is equal to HFI whole square by WFI whole square H square e to the power WFI t minus 1 whole square. This is the equation 10 friends. PFI represents the probability for finding the atomic system in the state f of H naught from the initial stage of H naught 8 is 1 is equal to 0 due to the interaction of HI. PFI can be given as PFI is equal to HFI whole square by H cross square 4 sin square WFI t by 2 by WFI t whole square into t square. This is the equation 11 friends, where WFI is equal to EF minus EI by H cross. This is equation 12 friends, and alpha f H1I HFI. This is the equation 13 friends. From equation 11 it is seen that PFI is proportional to HFI square, which is a small perturbation, and proportional to T square. For large T1, PFI increases. If we plot rho Fi apart from the matrix elements, then HFI is WFI. We see that this is the time independent figure, friends. You can see when WFI is equal to 0, PFI is equal to T square by Ti. This is a Ti. This transition is energy conserving. 4 by T, 2 pi by T, and 0, 2 pi by T, 4 pi by T, WFI. When WFI is equal to 0, PFI is equal to T square, the transition is energy conserving. Thus, for very short time, the probability goes from 0 for all WFI. Hence, if the time interval is large, then there is appreciable probability to find transition is from I to F. The height of the curve increases as T square while its width decreases, like T minus 1. Then EF minus EI is equal to del E becomes a smaller as del T becomes larger, since WFI is equal to del E by pi. Hence, del E is equal to 2 pi S cross by del T. That is, del E is equal to del T 2 pi H cross H by S cross by 2. Now, friends, while a constant perturbation turned on sharply can cause transition in first order to any state with f hi not is equal to 0, the probability is greatest. If we write for sin square WFI is equal to T by 2 as FWFI, then 40 tends to infinity. FWFI is equal to 2 pi T inverse rho WFI, since minus infinity to plus infinity sin 2 pi by x square dx is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity sin x by x dx is equal to pi. We obtained dWFI into sin square WFI by T by 2 WFI into T by 2 whole square T by 2 is equal to pi. Then friends, now integration dWFI into sin square WFT into T by 2 WFI into T by 2 whole square is equal to 2 pi by T. PFI becomes PFI is equal to HFI whole square by H square 2 pi T rho WFI. This is the equation 14, friends, comparing of equation 11 and 1. Equation 14 gives PFI is equal to 2 pi by T H cross HFI whole square into rho EF minus EI. This is the equation 15, friends. Now, friends, transition rate is W is equal to PF by T is equal to 2 pi by H cross HFI whole square rho EF minus EI. This is the equation 16, friends. Now, when the final states F are group of states very closely packed, then total rate of transition W total is equal to 2 pi by H cross HFI whole square summation F EF minus EI. This is the equation 17, friends. Now, choosing EF as integration DEF into rho F, where rho F denote the density of final state, then equation 17 become W total is equal to 2 by H cross HFI whole square rho F. This is the equation 18, friends. Now, equation 18 is referred as a Fermi-Golden rule. This is an important relation that can be employed to calculate the transition probability between two states and other corresponding lifetimes. In beta decay, the result obtained is consistent with the experimental value. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. This is very important topics, friends. Please support me and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you, friends.